Welcome to SoftwareTrailers.com. If you are interested in fully protecting your site from cyber criminals and keeping your customers and their data safe while they visit your online store, you are going to love this platform. In today's video, we will talk about applying SSL certificates and cybersecurity solutions to your online store by using Web.com. But before we go any further, don't forget that SoftwareTrailers.com constantly offers the latest collection of software on the web. We will leave a special link in the description below to access this and other great digital tools. Now, let's dive into Web.com. Web.com is a leading provider of website design and online marketing services, helping millions of customers and enterprises of all sizes, managing millions of domains with over 20 years of experience. Having an online business is a great way to find potential clients and promote your products and services. Nevertheless, cybercriminals look for unprotected sites to extract and steal sensitive data, putting your customers in danger as well. With Web.com, your site will not be at risk from data theft, providing security solutions to protect your company and clients in the meantime. Let us have an overview on what are the main features of Web.com for online security. We can divide Web.com services into two categories. First, your website will have the HTTPS protocol in the browser bar with the closed padlock symbol, ensuring your site will be safe to visit. With SSL certificates, your website identity and connection will be authenticated and encrypted. This will help customers feel safe when visiting your site. Second, your site will be protected against mobile cybersecurity threats with security breaching prevention and support from Web.com team of experts in case of any event. Having an SSL certificate for your site is a crucial step to set your site life. With this kind of certificate, your website will be authenticated and sensitive data such as your customers' credit card information will be protected against criminals. This is where Web.com steps in, protecting your customers but also your own business in the process. First, your data will be masked from unpermitted access. Also, you will benefit from web browsers as they tend to favor secure websites. This is particularly important if your website has an online store where you may need e-commerce transactions. And second, your site security will be guaranteed with SSL certificates, regardless of the size of your company or online store. If you like what you hear about Web.com, check out a link to buy their services in the description below. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel, and you will be notified of other great videos about software like this one. Having the freedom of accessing your favorite websites from any device, knowing that your personal information will be protected at all times, is a pivotal matter when thinking about visiting a business site or online store. To give this experience to your clients, Web.com helps your site be robust and safe against cyber attacks and data theft. You will have a whole team of cybersecurity experts on your back with 24/7 access and support. With the help of cybersecurity professionals, you can fix or prevent any issues that can affect your website. Among its vast quantity of features, let us see some of the advantages you will receive with Web.com's cyber protection. First, you will have risk management to prevent breaches. Also, your identity will be protected at all times, regardless of the device your customers use to access your business. Finally, with a built VPN, you will benefit from safe browsing without the risk of losing sensitive data. If you like what you heard about Web.com, check out the link in the description below. Also, if you like this software video, feel free to check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers and subscribe to our channel. We are sure you will find what you are looking for. Thanks for watching. See you next time.